Welcome to this series of video tutorials on how to carry out effective research. Hello, my name is Aftab and in this video tutorial we will be looking at how to undertake a literature review. We need to start off with what do we understand by a literature review? If we were to define a literature review, we would probably say it's trying to identify what other academics and practitioners have identified as being important in the topic. The next consideration when undertaking a literature review is to ask yourself, how many articles should I become familiar with? This is a fairly subjective question, and what we would recommend is that you read some modern and contemporary articles from the last 3 to 5 years to identify what are some of the key issues and themes that have evolved. And in terms of numbers, how many articles should you review? We recommend that for a small project, anywhere between 15 and 20 articles should suffice, and for a dissertation, at least 40 plus articles. In terms of identifying sources of information for your literature, there are a number of secondary sources that are available for students to access journal articles, the most popular being Emerald Full Text, Business Source Premier, and EBSCO Full Text. When selecting an article from any one of these academic databases, we recommend that you observe the following 4 rules. Number 1, how recent is the article that's been published on the research topic? Secondly, does the title make sense? Thirdly, does the abstract, which is a summary of the article, make sense? And fourthly, is the article available in PDF format? If the answer to the above 4 meet the literature requirements, we recommend that you download the article and include it in your literature review. Other sources of reference for secondary data are government statistical publications, published findings from consultancy firms, and in terms of online resources, students have access to articles written on the BBC, Google Scholar, and electronic newspapers. When carrying out a literature review, we recommend that students create a tally chart to identify the most common themes and ideas that emerge so that you may gain an understanding of what are the most popular views on the subject. Finally, it is a good idea when writing up your literature review to discuss where researchers agree on common ideas and where they disagree. Thank you for listening to this video tutorial on how to undertake a literature review.